The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melonē.
Hi everyone, it's Sophia Melonē, the Debt Demolisher, here to bring you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you manage your financial baggage the right way. What an honor and privilege it is to be before you all for yet another episode drop here on the Debt Demolisher TV, where today I really want us to have a subtle conversation. Oftentimes we don't realize the very thing that could bring us clarity when we are trying to get through a financial solution, better yet, a financial resolution. And oftentimes that same thing that we're carrying and what we're trying to think through can help us in different aspects of our lives. So I want you to just take a moment to ride with me and just listen to the mellow of this voice inside of our conversations as we begin to really think about the journey. I want you to think about your journey. How far have you come? How far do you want to go? How long are you willing to drive? Do you even have enough gas in your car to remain on the road? These are very prevalent everyday questions that you would ask yourself when you are in the moment of going from point A to point B. Am I right or am I wrong? When you're looking at the space of what lane you're in, when you're in your car, how are you going to continue to do that? How are you going to continue to proceed? How are you going to continue to focus? Take 2 seconds and think on this. Now, why did you need this 2 seconds to pause? Why did you need this 2 seconds to think? Why did you need this 2 seconds to really think about the things that are in front of you, that are beside you, and also the things that you can't even see? When you're in a state of trying to get to financial freedom, one thing that we have to understand and realize is that there will be things that will be right in front of us and it may not be clear. And then all of a sudden, the clarity will present itself. The sky will open up. The solution will come. The pathway gets clearer. The gap between the thing that you're trying to reach as well as where you are today begins to get closer and closer and closer, and maybe even sometimes much farther apart. But here's what I want you to think about as you navigate your financial journey. I want you to think about what you can control. Only you can control the wheel that you are steering. Only you can control the financial decisions that you are making day in and day out. Only you can control which lane you will stay in, which lane you will change to, which lane you will decide to pull over and maybe even take the exit. But it might not be your exit just yet, so you have to keep proceeding. Where are you going in your financial journey? Where do you want to be inside of your financial journey? Are you willing to keep riding? Are you willing to catch up to the person beside you? Are you willing to slow down because you see a few red lights that have presented itself before you, giving you the warning and the indication that you need to slow down as well? There will be so many things inside of our financial journey that will jump in our way, but it will also jump right out. And your job, your responsibility is to navigate your road. It's to navigate your journey. It's to navigate the path and the vehicle that you are driving, whether it be the vehicle of your 9 to 5, whether it be the vehicle of your business, whether it be the vehicle of your gift, whether it be the vehicle of your writing, whether it be the vehicle of your books, whether it be the vehicle of the hairstylist that you are, whether it be the vehicle of your gift inside of your teaching capability. If you need to change lanes, do that, but make sure that you're changing lanes at the right time. Your journey is only destined for you, and you are the only one that can navigate, that can manage, that can drive, that can move forward, that could pull over, that could slow down that financial journey. So here's what I want you to think about as you continue to think about your financial journey. Are you ready to take the exit? Are you ready to get over? Is it your time to get off the highway? Is it your time to close the journey? Is it your time to get out the way? Is it your time to allow your finances to be in the best position that it could be? Why? Because you've realized that you have reached almost the ending point, the reaching point to your destination. Yes, there may be things that may obscure your view to the left of you. Yeah, there may be some lights that may try to distract you, but you have to keep progressing. Remember the goal, remember the destination, remember your exit, because every financial approach that you have has an exit strategy. And you, my friend, just have to make sure that the exit that you take is the right one at the right time in due time to give you all the blessings that you need. Remember, your financial prosperity awaits you, and so does your financial sanity. You already know what I'm going to tell you to do, and that's what? Get to work. All right.